Hello. Hello. Welcome to a out of the blue stream. Let me get this mic up here. An out of the blue stream from me, Andrew Albury-Dor. I have got a new computer recently and thought it was about time that I gave it a setup. And what better way to do it than going live? I understand that it's a bad time in the US and Tuesday here, 8:40 p.m. I'm not going to spend too long today unless people jump in and everything kicks off, but I am going to have a quick look at community, see if I can get some points. How is everything going? Going well. I've been working fairly hard. I've got a new job. Also getting warnings about my stream bitrate. I haven't dropped any frames. Let me see if I can have a play with that. No, I can't change it while I am streaming. I guess that makes sense. Let's have a look. So I have a favorite search for Flow Designer in community where nobody has replied. And I like to go and see if I can help some people with their problems. Here we go. Hi guys. I'm currently trying to set the domain of records being created in a flow. This is domain separation. That is something that I've never done before. Domain separated instance. I need to be able to set the domain as I'm using the flow to create new customer records. How I'm handling it so far. I have no idea. I'm not going to answer a domain separation question at this hour of the evening. Let's have a look. There hasn't been a lot of Flow Designer stuff. Fresh personal instance based on the Paris edition. Domain support. Alright, let's keep moving. I had a look at this one the other day because it is 9 days ago. Create event or an update event. So I dug into this in my PDI, and if you use a create or update trigger, you don't get the information. I'm going to reply to this guy. Hey Ray. There's no way to tell whether the created the trigger was a create or an update action. I do have a suggestion to fix this though. Could you create two separate, one for create trigger, one for update trigger? I think this would make a great suggestion, great idea. And then let's throw a link over to the ideas portal. So we create two flows, one for a create, one for an update. If they are similar, have some minor changes, possibly a subflow, which you then pass in the created or updated. Based on which flow is triggered. I know it's messy, but it could work. Yeah. Look, I mean, the guy hasn't had a reply in over a week, so anything's better than nothing. Eh? Considering that the only unanswered flow designer options there were over a week old, I'm going to jump over to the developer forum and have a look at some unanswered ones there. Unreplied. Nope. Also nope. HR cases, I don't know HR. Multi-portal surveys, HR cases. Gee, there's not a lot today, is there? Let's try unsolved. With only a few replies. What's this one? I'm trying to create a new service request from an existing RITM so that the newly created RITM and the originating RITM automatically linked and visible in the related records tab. Working fine in UI 16 but not in workspace. Unable to retrieve the syspalm parent sysid from agent workspace and map it. gs.action.getGlideURI.getMap.get. So that to me reads like maybe they're looking at the actual URL. GetGlideURIs. That's an action that pulls the URL link direct to the record that you're looking at, I think. It's a bit of a weird one. That's the CHID on child. Current.set value parent. No, he wants to set that as the parent. gs.action. Well, if we don't know what something is, what do? We go and look at the API. And it would be a client. No, it's a business rule. I wonder if it doesn't work in scoped, because 99% of workspace stuff is scoped. So service now gs.action. We're unable to find it. Three years ago. Wowzers. Undocumented Java classes, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so, I mean, what does he want? He wants the sys-ID. What's the business rule triggered on? Oh, sorry. I'm trying to create a new service request from RITM, but so that the newly created RITM original. What does he mean? It's a business rule. What is that? It should be triggered by a UI action. That's just weird. Like, that's a strange requirement. What's the trigger on the business rule that you run? Seems odd to be creating new records related to old records without, like, direct user intervention. Should this maybe be a UI action? If you are using a business rule, can you call, what is it, like, current? Get unique value? Is that what it is? I keep getting these ones. Get unique. Get unique value. Yeah. I'll throw a reference back to this this community post. GS.action poll is an undocumented Java API. Very it might not work in scope apps at all. Yeah, who knows? That's a weird one. It's always fun looking at community. Let's just go back to the home screen. Maybe we can get something really fresh that's really easy. How to add delivery information in catalog task. That doesn't necessarily sound that easy. Catalog task. The order confirmation is that's attached to the request. jump over to my PDI over here. Remember, kids, change the colors so that you know where you are. I like having my PDI red. Let's have a look at all of my requests. Is this where the delivery information and special instructions? Yeah. So they're on the request table. So if you went to tasks. All right, let's jump over to a task. Here's one I prepared earlier. We go configure, form design, or will it have to be the other one, form layout? Can you step into dot walked fields in form design? I don't think you can. Nah. Configure form layout. And then from the catalog task, we go to request directly, and then delivery address and special instructions. There we go. And we'll move them up under description. Yeah. All right, so I'll take a quick snippy of that one. There it is. Where is my snipper? Part of this new computer, I don't have my favorite tool, Snagit, so I'm kind of floundering with the, there we go, out of the box snip and sketch tool from Windows. Hi, who is this? If you edit the catalog task form layout, you can select request and then click the little, oh, it's like a tree button. Delivery address and special instructions from that table. They are then visible on your catalog task form. There we go. Someone's replied. Beat me to it. Oh well. Those snipers. Community MVPs. Tut tut. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call it an evening. I appreciate, not that I really had anyone watching, but if you're watching in the future, thank you very much. I am definitely planning on streaming some more now that I have this set up a bit better. Comment if you want to see me do more community stuff. Comment if you don't, that's fine. I'll get the picture. Otherwise, thanks, have a good night, and I will talk to you later.